Hi there, I'm Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. I'm the owner of Lollipop Box Club, but today I am going to be doing a different kind of unboxing. I'm a huge fan of Happy Mail. I always have been. I've been having Happy Mail on and off since I was 3. My first ever subscription box was the Humpty Dumpty Club, which my mum signed me up to. And from then on, as I got a bit older, it was pen pals, and then more subscription boxes from the age of, I'm just thinking, early 20s when I started my scrapbooking kits. And obviously now I own my own subscription club. But today I received another type of Happy Mail box. This is my BirchBox. I thought I would share it with you today. It's a monthly makeup club and skincare and all that kind of thing, hair care, and I've only had a couple of these just to try out, and I think I've had a month off, and then I saw this month's, and there was a code that popped up on Facebook for 2 free items, and I'm a sucker, so I took the code, and I've grabbed this month's as well, and I'm really excited. So for the first time I thought I would share this little box of joy with you. Now, I am the first one to admit I am absolutely no expert at makeup, as you can see, but under here I have really bad skin. I don't get spots, but I'm really red. It's really bad. Literally I get a line on my nose and it's all the way across. I'm getting quite a hot flush now talking about this. I'm really rosy. And it really bothers me, and sometimes I can feel like the hot flushes coming on, and I've had this going on for years. I know it's not menopause, but I think it's called rosacea or something like that. I think I might have that, I don't know, but it's horrible, and I feel really self-conscious, and yeah, I'm really hot now. And so I've always got a face full of makeup to cover it up. I don't like going downstairs without my face on. I certainly wouldn't open the door without my full makeup on, but so I have a really good skin covering to just give myself just a good coverage to try and make it even and just look normal. And as I'm getting older, I'm losing my eyelashes. They're getting smaller, they're getting finer, so always have to have my eyes done, always have to cover up my skin, but then I have to put the rosiness back in because I've covered it all up, and I like lip gloss. Big fan of lip gloss, so I do always have a face full of makeup. So I love these kits, but not only for that, I love them for the hair bits and things like that. I do also get a monthly kit from the States. If you haven't heard of it before, Sephora, they do the best monthly kits, and I do sub to that, and I have done for quite some time. Unfortunately though, they don't ship to the UK, they only ship to the States. It's $10, and that's including delivery, and it's amazing. It gets sent to my friend, and every time she comes over, she's English and lives in the States, but she comes over quite frequently on business, and there's a few of us that sub to it, and she brings us our little goodie bags. They come in little canvas bags inside the boxes, and so she comes with these little bags of joy, and they are amazing. And to be honest, if I could choose, I would choose Sephora over Birch any day. It really is so much better. But I do love the BirchBox, and I'm going to show you what's inside now. Sorry, I really rambled on a bit then, didn't I? So this is my box of joy. This is how it comes, and I am going to open it up here. The only thing you have to be really careful, because I do tend to damage the box. Not that I keep the boxes, but yeah, I've done it now. I've cut across the top. But these are so cute. Look at this. You could actually collect them and use them as like little drawer units, couldn't you? But this is so pretty. So let's have a look what's inside this month's. This was my free gift. This is the free gift that I signed up to, or that I got this month. You can buy one-offs, and obviously the same with any subscription. The more you subscribe to, the more you get, or the cheaper they are, and I think that you start to get other freebies. This was £12.95, and that includes delivery. Quite often you can find codes online though. Facebook now, every now and then, because I stopped getting them, you get like a £5 off coupon that pop up. So this is one of my free gifts. that's oh, that's soft, a really, really nice brush. I like that a lot. And I think this was a blush, and you could choose from a couple of different ones. I think I've gone for the bronzer purely because my daughter bought me a really nice NARS cheek powder. What do you call them? Blush. I couldn't think then. Oh, that's pretty. I like that a lot. I thought this would be nice for holiday. Can't really see. Oh, I like that. Oh, I'm really glad I went for that one actually. So you can even tell by my hands I've got a really bad skin tone. I'm really flecky and it's even. That's the word I was looking for before. I want an even skin tone. I'm pointing to my face now, but obviously you can't see that. Right, so this is now what's in the rest of the box. So we've got, oh, an overnight bright sleeping cream. Now, I love the size of these little ones, and I keep these to take away whether we're going away just over to like stay at my sister's overnight or something like that, or when we go on holiday. They're really, really good because they're like little travel sizes. Shall we have a little sniff? I do like a cream that sniffs well. Let's see. Oh, that's a nice colour. Oh, it's quite nice and thick as well. And there's no scent to that, which isn't a bad thing because obviously it means less things have been added. But I like that a lot, and that will be going in my travel bag for the holiday. What else have we got here? We've got a BB. Ah, this is the same one as my, I think I use the same foundation. This is an illuminator, a skin enhancer. I've never used anything like this before. Oh, that wasn't what I was expecting. I expected it to be like a glow type thing, with it being an illuminator. Golden glow, maybe it is. Who knows? Apply this face cream on a clean face, can be worn alone or as a makeup base. Not to be used for children under 3 years of age. That's very good advice. I would advise that as well. So if you're 4, you're fine, but not under the age of 3. Obviously, I'm joking. No kids should wear makeup. But should we have a little look and see what that's like? Yeah, it's really... I don't think I'm going to be using that one. What do you think? I don't think that one's for me. What I tend to do is all my little bits that I don't use, because obviously, you know, with a subscription kit, you're not going to like everything. I keep them as a bag and then I give them away to people. I gave a whole load to my niece and my sister a couple of weeks ago. What's this? Fill and Tame Brow Gel. Let's have a look at this. My daughter bought me, again, NARS actually, some brow stuff for my birthday recently. Like a little brush, and it's like a mascara actually, but for your eyebrows. I haven't got the hang of using that. Right, well, this looks pretty. I like the packaging. And what's the name of it? Is that butaning or something? I don't know. I'm, like I said, not an expert on these. Oh, that's quite cute. Might give that one a go. See how it compares to NARS. I do like the packaging, and I am a sucker for pretty packaging. What's in this one? This is a baked highlighter. Oh, now this I think is one of those sparkly things, isn't it? Let's have a look. It's very diddy and very cute. Oh, I can't get it out. Okay. Oh, that's cute. Now, I don't own anything like this. Maybe I need to own something like this. I don't know. Look how sparkly that is. Now, my daughter is really good at makeup. I need to ask her for some tips, don't I? That's cute. And I don't own anything like that, so that's really nice. And what have we got here? This month's kit is a Kath Kitson, and it's a hand cream, and it's very sweet, isn't it? Jasmine and orange. Let's see what this smells like. I am a sucker for good hand cream. I get really dry skin. That's quite nice actually. It doesn't feel greasy. It does smell quite nice. I tend to use Bath and Body Works from the States. I always use their hand creams, but when my skin, I get eczema, when my skin is really, really bad, I use the Body Shop hemp cream, and that's excellent. I like that. It smells quite nice and light. Actually, do you know, I could imagine using this on a plane. Some of my creams I've got from Bath and Body Works I love, but they're quite overpowering, whereas this is quite a delicate one, and my skin does actually feel quite soft, so I might keep that for my hand luggage as well. And here we have 15% off when you spend, I won't be spending inside £35 inside the thingy, but there's a code there if you want to use it by 31st of May 2018. a bit of advertising. I had a box once that was, I can't remember, it was to do with a sticker company, and there was a sheet of stickers which was quite nice. And there's, oh, and here it tells you all about your kit. So here we go. That's quite good. So you've got like instructions and details and all that kind of thing. So that's quite nice. And you can even win a Cath Kitson hamper. So there we have it. That is the April BirchBox. And it's all rather beautiful, isn't it? And I think apart from this, I will use all the other bits and pieces, and I'm really chuffed with them. And that was £12.95. I hope you've enjoyed looking through that with me. It's obviously a little bit different to what I usually do, as I'm mainly a kind of craft stroke stationery stroke Disney kind of girl. I haven't done anything like this before, but I would love to know what kind of, or even do you get subscription boxes? There's so many out there these days. I think one of the early ones that I used to get as an adult was the Graze boxes. We used to love the Graze boxes, you know, with all the little fruits and nuts and flapjacks, and we used to get that every month, or I think it was twice a month we used to get it. That was really good. But there's so many out there now. Coffee, candy, Japanese, you know, like the all the cutesy stationery stuff. There's just something for everybody these days. So tell me, do you subscribe to anyone, and what do you subscribe to? I would love to know. Thank you so much. If you've enjoyed this different kind of unboxing, please give me a thumbs up, or if you enjoy subscription boxes, give me a thumbs up and let me know what you subscribe to. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon. Bye.